It is rightly said that music is a universal language. तभी जब म्यूजिक या गाने अच्छे होते हैं तो उनको यूनिवर्सल एक्सेप्टेंस मिलती है, ग्लोबली वो सुपर हिट हो जाते हैं और उनके कई वर्जन्स बनते हैं. ऐसा ही एक हिट गाना रहा है दुआ लिपा का लेविटेटिंग, जिसका ऑफिशियल इंडियन रीमिक्स रिलीज हो चुका है और जिसमें द ग्लोबल आइकन हैज कोलैबोरेटेड विद आवर ओन जेम्स ऑफ द म्यूजिक इंडस्ट्री, द वर्सेटाइल सिंगर कंपोजर अमान मलिक, and of course the beautifully talented, as I always call them, twin singing sensations of our country, Sukriti and Prakriti Kakkar. So welcome to you on Punjab Kesari Now the Time.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, so sweet of you.
Thank you. Okay, first things first, Amal, my question to you, how did you make these two worlds get together?
I don't know. I think most importantly, as you said, the song was such a big hit, and but when it released, immediately in India, it didn't make its way. I think this all has happened at the right time for us. Recently she won the Grammy for this album, and the song's become really popular. Now it's everywhere. We've been working on it since almost last June, and now we're almost a year into this. And it was Warner and Dua Lipa's management that wanted to, do versions of her songs. And she did one with Madonna and with Don Diablo, and the Indian remix, the official one, is with all three of us and Kunal Verma penning the lyrics. So it was an idea from their label and obviously Dua's idea. And from there, I'm just glad that, she chose me from India to produce it. And I had these two really talented singers with me to come on board and do an amazing job.
Okay, and coming to these talented singers now, aap dono ke liye to it must have been like a dream come true, because you've often said that you actually idealize her and she's one of your favorites when it comes to you guys selecting or probably writing your songs. So kaisa raha ye dream come true?
It's been still like even till today, I think we're 2 weeks into it. It feels like a dream. I mean, just for my own sanity, sometimes I go and I type our names together. Now there is a song on every music app with Dua Lipa and all our names together. So obviously it's more than a dream come true. I think you can love an artist, you can love and manifest things for you, but you still don't imagine that, one day I'm going to sing with Dua Lipa. It didn't happen. I never said that. But that it's happened, it's insane. And also the fact that, it's a very different take on the song from the original. So there could be a lot of people attached to the original version, and sometimes people think that the remake is very different. But we've been getting so much love for the remakes, and everybody seems to love it and enjoy it, and it's really catching on to the Indians. I think we've heard it now. We've gone to a few places actually and heard the song play there, and people have said good things to say about it. So it's a very, very overwhelming feeling to be associated with this track in any way possible.
No, but was there any kind of pressure considering, that you were going to collaborate with her and she being, one of your favorites? So aisa koi pressure tha that, you have to perform the bestest that we've had?
No, of course. I think, because she has such a powerful voice and the right attitude in every, not even line, every word. So obviously when we were getting the lyrics together and Amar was recording us, we were just in the studio and he just, said one thing, that keep the attitude on, like we have to have the same energy and things like that. But I mean, we've seen her style of singing for so many years, so it was not really that difficult to be ourselves because we learn anyway from her. But I remember like right before, recording anything on the track, we have actually, because you're also with a laptop, we've actually gone on all her live videos where she has sung live with like her band, and we've just watched it on repeat. And the funny part is that usi din Levitating ka official music video baar aaya tha on YouTube. So we were checking all her songs out, like all her covers, just raw versions of her with the piano, and just seeing how she really sings live, because we were going to sing live on her track. And then Levitating music video released on the same day. So we were just like, I can't even believe we're doing the remix of the song that just released today worldwide.
Yeah. Talking of the music video, ये song version को ही इतना अच्छा response हमारे मिला. Anytime soon कि हमें video भी देखने के लिए मिलेगा, because the fans would really love that.
I think Dua Lipa wanted it to just happen as an audio, and in today's times it's difficult for us to shoot a video. But obviously, if something like that would happen, we would love it. But we are working towards a lyrical, which she is involved in, and she's checking all the things, and we're getting approvals from her. So we might have a little lyrical and animated video that will come out about the song. But music video, I think I would love to see both of them in a video with Dua Lipa someday. So that would be awesome.
Yeah. I mean, we would love for that to happen. But tell me something. Dua has been promoting this version as well, and she says that ये उनकी treat है to the Indian fans who've loved her songs and music. But have you guys heard from her? उनका आपके लिए क्या response or anything that she must have said?
So actually, we've not had a one-on-one with her, but I think the closest we've come to speaking to her is when she tagged us all on her story promoting it, and it's a surreal feeling because before that, my entire chat with Dua Lipa has been, I mentioned her because I mention her generally so much, and then I never thought that it's going to happen the other way.
Okay, Amal, you've heard anything?
Personally, I've been in touch with her management, and I did have a call with her, which was a conference with her and her manager. And she was really excited. She really loved both the voices, and she really loved how we brought Hindi to the song. And she was really kicked about it. She felt, out of all the remixes of Levitating that have been done globally, she loved this one the most.
Yeah.
And I think that's why she also, mentioned us and, gave us full support. It was not something we planned also. We just did it. And she was really kicked about it, and she tagged Prakriti, Sukriti, me, put an Indian flag sweetly, gave a lot of good, points about what she wanted to do in the song also. So creatively, she was also quite involved, but she was very excited to see, how it would turn out with Hindi and how an Indian remix would, make the song, because we are all over the world. I think Indians are everywhere. So that audience is something we have to be we have to capture it, but with, with smartness, because Indians today also are listening to a lot of global music. So that balance was something that, that me and her management discussed. How do we keep it right enough for her fans to love it, and new also, so that they don't feel it's just as is, and the Indian people get something new as well. True. So that was the only discussion that we had. But when she heard the final master, and she wrote an email back to us saying she really loves the voices, really loves what all three of us have done on this.
No, it is truly commendable because, personally, जब मैंने सुना, तो I felt, there have been so many fusions done in the past, या बहुत सारे ऐसे, हमने देसी versions इस तरह के गानों के बनाए हैं, but कई बार वो lyrics नहीं fit बैठ रहे हैं, या जो, musicality है वो fit नहीं बैठ रही, उसका Indianness नहीं है, but with the Tumbi that you've used, and of course the Indian lyrics, मैं ये सोच रही थी कि अगर किसी ने Levitating Dua का नहीं भी सुना है, the original version, this for fans is going to be something very new and something that everybody is going to vibe to.
Yeah, that is so true. I think that's the intention behind it, and the fact that you said it is so lovely.
No, but it's actually
so beautiful. I was here and I'm in Dubai right now. There's this place called Kana Cafe, a very small cafe where, thoda Bollywood music bajta, and I went there with my friends, and this remix was playing. My shoot karne ka, but my phone died.
Okay.
But it's playing naturally throughout, even Dubai, which has a Bollywood connect.
Yeah.
So, and I was seeing, I always, when a track of mine or, any drop comes, I always look around how people are vibing to it. So I saw a few young Indian kids, a lot of foreigners, all of them, bob their heads. So once this happens in a dance track, I think we're 50% home. Yeah. And I think the singing, which both of them have done, is like a very good representation of Indian music, so that we have managed to show through their voices, through Kunal's lyrics, and a little bit through my production and my team, all of us, that India can also do something that connects globally. So I think I'm very proud that it's accepted in on the whole thing. It's beautiful. It feels really good.
Yeah, you totally should be proud of it. Now, collaboration की जब बात कर रहे हैं, तो as a trio, आप तीनों का भी ये पहला collaboration है, right? If I'm not wrong.
Yes.
So please tell me something about it. How did that happen? And you've known each other, I believe, for some time. लेकिन ये साथ में काम करना on a professional level, तीनों ने मिलके, how was that? मस्ती मस्ती में निकल गया या फिर थोड़ा डांट डपट के?
Actually, masti mein nikal gaya because when Amal told us that we're doing this, we didn't believe him. We were laughing. We were just like, what? We're singing on a Dua Lipa track? Like, what? But of course, the process has been so fun and we've been looking forward to actually doing something together. Because I worked with him, Sukriti's worked with him individually, but we've actually, three of us have never been in the credits together. So for the first time, this is happening, and it's with Dua Lipa. It's just surreal. And in the future, of course, there's another track that we'll be working on. It's another collaboration. And yeah, just super excited. This is something we've been discussing and trying to. What?
I like it. It sounds like a new beat. Send me that. Record that sample. What was that? What fell right now?
It's a bottle.
Please record it. It's nice.
And Aman,
But I
how
think-
your experience
Looking forward to it.
For me, see, we've all grown up together and, we exchange notes in music and we spend a lot of time apart from music also, just as friends. And for years, we've been at our own careers and life brought us to do some really good songs also together. I did Kargai Chul, which is one of my most successful dance tracks with Sukriti. I did Subha Subha with Arijit and Prakriti. So we've always come together and every time we've collaborated, it's been loved, by all our fans, by even people who have not heard us before, they hear the song and then they've become our fans. So we've managed to, as a team, gain a lot of love out of all our collaborations. And this time the love is tripled because it's all three of us, doing it together. So it's beautiful. It always feels good. And I think they're really, really talented singers and they give their best, there is obviously some great chemistry between all three of us because we've worked a lot together. So we know what we expect of each other. But
that's very important.
That's obviously very important. But as artists also, I think they're never satisfied with their own job. They're done. They'll keep trying, keep giving it their best. I know Prakriti, Sukriti, both will finish it up, go back home and then call and say, no, we can do better. Wow. So that is something which even I
really... But that's you also. I think that's
what, and that's also something where we connect because I also don't leave my song till the end. And here it was more responsibility because we are representing our country. So we were going to give it our all. And I think they've done a fabulous job. Kunal's done a great job. And overall, it's a great synergy of good music.
It's thanks to the commitment that you guys put in that we as your fans get to hear such beautiful music. So please continue doing that. तो obviously ये तो रिवाज है ही कि अगर आप आए हैं और आपका गाना आने वाला है तो उसको आपको थोड़ा तो गाना ही पड़ेगा. So please do the honors.
Sure.
चल चले ऐसी जगह ना पाए कोई जहाँ show me what you feel inside. हो रहा है जो हो जाए वो कह दे मुझे दिल में जो करना है मुझे say hi. नजर चुराए ना पास आए कि वो दूर से शर्माए. तुझे भी ये लगता है मुझे कोई चाहिए तो baby it's a perfect time.
Thank you.
I was constantly doing this and I was just remembering what Amal said a while back कि अगर कोई ऐसे कर रहा है किसी गाने में मतलब आप समझ लो कि वो hit हो गया. Guys, ये hit हो गया. You all know it, yeah.
Thank you.
So you were very kind to talk to me and I had a lovely time as always and all the very best, not just for the success of this song, which obviously is successful without my saying so, but for all the future projects that you do individually and as a collaboration. We would love to see as much of you as we can. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
So sweet of you.
Always such a pleasure talking. Thank you.
Bye-bye. Stay safe. Take care.
Thank you. Thank you.